Howdy, I'm Nick. This is Solo. Together we are London Creative. When she's not panicking and running hot, she's just had her operation on her belly, so she's a little bit hot and flustered. We are back once again making something. A couple of weeks back I did a little island made out of some sculpture mould and some foam and a lot of flocking and stuff for that one video's Discord challenge, and it ended up being quite successful and people liked it, and I got quite a lot of subscribers off of it. So thank you to everyone who joined after that. Today I'm going to start again on a new project related to the Discord challenge. This time around the prompts are fire and food, and I was doing a roast an ox and an inn with food and all that. And then Tora came up with the perfect solution. So today I'm going to make Calcifer from Howl's Moving Castle.
Wait a second, you're all going to eat while I do all the work?
So where do we start? Well, what do we need? That. A bit more. Until full. I think that'll do. I'm just playing around with this. I've got something like this. I'm just images to look something like that. I think it's a lot more rounder, a bit more like that sort of thing. Like Donnie Darko's rabbit. Ta-da! Finished. Do it here because it's a solid surface, whereas the table rattles and bangs and crashes around like crazy. So. How to sharpen knives? Do you know this? Cut silver foil with a knife, sharpens it. I'm not doing any damage, I'm doing good here. I'm sharpening my knives and making a model. I'm stabbing myself in the hand probably in a minute. Ready? I'm in the kitchen after all, it's the place where I do most damage. There we go. That's got to be put in the oven, and I think I'll do top separate just so that it's got somewhere to heat points to escape and things. Also so I can get a foil out. I'm not sure if this will work. I'm not sure if I'll be able to fix the two together. We may experiment and find out. This is what we do on London Creative. We experiment. And I haven't stabbed myself or cut myself yet, but there's still time. It does look like just any other sort of generic sort of monster at the moment. The entire block of Sculpey on this. I'm not worried I'm not going to be able to get that out. Right, next thing is to bake it. The irony of it's not lost on me. Baking fire in an oven. Now I've got to get this out. Foil. Again, sharpening the scissors. Going to make a lot of mess. Okay, with that out, I can now work out how to do this. I need to leave some spaces because the fire lighter needs some holes to escape from.
I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter.
For some reason I didn't record. It's been, I don't know, a week since I moulded this and sprayed it, and then I've spent the last few days trying to get this thing to work. Air gun, which I used a few times and then haven't, and it's just packed up. So now we're here. We're on paintbrush duty. I have some paints set up over here. The yellow, orange, some colours for the frying pan. I'm just gonna get in, start dabbing away on. So we've got yellow there to there. Next one, the orange, and pretty much everything else that's not yellow. Dollop it all in and shake the camera ridiculously. Nearly done. And I'm going to try and cover the bits that I haven't quite taken, namely the eyes and the yellow. Some ochre with some of the Arteza yellow, give them more of a richer colour, and go like that. Okay, we're back. The idea is to make 2 logs. Done. Done. Bit of brown. This has been glued into place. I primed it. No point showing you priming it. I just sprayed it with black paint. And covering this in brown paint. It doesn't have to be very precise paint. watery this paint is. There. Wait a minute, you're gonna eat while I did all the work? Or something like that. Calcifer, ladies and gentlemen, with frying pan, eggs, bacon, and sausages. What do you think? It's not bad, is it? It was quite good. Not bad, is it? I mean, I literally say that in every single thing. Quite happy with that. It's a little bit bigger than I was aiming for. I was probably aiming for about that big, but in the end, with all the fire and everything, he's like this. Oh, what do you think? There's a certain someone down there. Yes, if you like this and you like the end results and you like the process and my process of making it, do give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below. Tell me what you think. Favourite Calcifer quote? It's mostly that one, or may all your bacon burn. Even though I don't like bacon, that's fine. And if you're not already and you want to see more random builds to do with Discord or paintings or making models and other arty crafty sort of things, or a dog painting, you never know, whatever floats your boat, then if that's what you want, then yeah, hit subscribe, come back each time for something new, different, and in London being creative. Until then, bye. Got the random noise ready, do it with me.